Vestrahorn is about 10 minutes drive from a fishing town, Höfn. Unlike most of the mountains in Iceland, it is made out of iron and magnesium rich gabbro rock, which leads to its dark and jagged appearance. With the unique landscape, hiking trails, and even a Viking village, it is a fantastic stop on the ring road. And there are a camping site and a cafe here, and you have to pay for the entrance fee in the Viking Cafe. The shore is lava dunes, which are constantly being shaped by the natural force of water and wind. When it is not raining, you can catch the perfect reflections of the mountains. You can easily walk out to the lighthouse, but there will be another beautiful black sand beach on the distance. If you have time, you can take a walk there. If you walk along the coastline, that's often home to seals. If you're lucky, you can catch a photo of the seal lying on the sand. In this area, you can also go to the old farm, which converted to the Viking Village. Most of the materials used were driftwood from the beach and old telephone poles. Although it's not original, it has been carefully modeled as a Viking village, and it shows a visual reminder of Iceland's Viking history. Thank you for watching.